Hello, aspirants. Welcome to the series of machine learning. Before AI could generate a series or write code, it first learned one powerful skill, that is prediction. Supervised learning is the foundation of predictive intelligence. It works on labeled data where input and output both are known. The model studies pattern, it learns mapping, then it predicts on unseen outcomes. There are two primary forms which drive this process, that are classification and regression. This is how early AI predicted sales, forecasting, and revenue with the help of machine learning. But here what most people miss. Large language models are not disconnected from this idea. After massive pre-training, they undergo supervised fine-tuning to align prediction with human intent. Even in modern AI agents, intent detection, tool selection, user classification, where all this supervised learning quietly operates. Early AI products, whatever you see, from recommendation engines to AI copilots, relies on predictive modeling. Prediction came before generation and it still powers it. If you want to design intelligent systems, you must first understand predictive intelligence. Supervised learning transforms historical data into predictive power, and predictive power drives modern AI systems. If you want to learn more about this AI system, please follow our machine learning series.